Have you ever wondered how to check what USB devices are connected to your computer? It can be a bit tricky, but don't worry. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to do that using a simple command prompt. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you search for answers online and come up empty-handed. You're not alone in this. Many users face the same challenge when trying to identify connected USB devices. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, "How can I obtain a list of all USB devices connected to my Windows 10 computer using the command prompt?" If you've been struggling with this, you're in the right place. So why is this important? Knowing what USB devices are connected can help troubleshoot issues, manage devices, or simply keep track of your hardware. Let's break down how to get that information easily. And stick around. At the end of this video, I have a bonus tip that will make managing your USB devices even easier. To check the connected USB devices, the user should first open the command prompt. This can be done by searching for command prompt in the Start menu. Next, the user needs to enter a specific command to list all USB devices. The command to type is wmice path win32 USB controller device get device ID description. After entering the command, the user should press the Enter key. This will execute the command and display a list of all connected USB devices. If the user wants more detailed information about each device, they can modify the command to include additional properties. For example, they can use wmice path win32 USB controller device get device ID description PMP device ID. Finally, the user can review the output to identify the connected USB devices and their details. This information can be useful for troubleshooting or managing devices. Fun fact, the first USB devices were introduced in 1996, and they were designed to simplify connections between computers and peripherals. Look how far we've come. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using PowerShell to check connected USB devices. You can run the command getPNPDevice, present only, and filter the results with where object to match USB devices. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution provided by another user is to use the wmice command. They suggest typing wm logical disk where drive type equals 2, get device ID, volume name, description in the command prompt. This command specifically targets removable disks, which are identified by drive type 2. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative solution provided by another user is to download a tool called USB View. This tool will give you detailed information about all connected USB devices, including their configurations. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Consider using a USB management tool to keep track of your devices more easily. These tools can provide additional information and help you manage connections better. And there you have it. You now know how to check connected USB devices using the command prompt. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tech tips. Remember, staying informed about your devices can save you a lot of time and hassle.